Hi guys, today we'll show you how to fix the small but common problem with loose antenna duplexers without sending your Omnia away. We took the top cover away already, you can watch how to do it in other videos in our channel. You can see that the first one is okay, the second one is loose. We are sorry for that. The only thing you need is the size 8 wrench. Be sure you are holding the duplexer by the metal part, not the green one. The green one is fragile. Use the wrench to tie the nut firmly while holding the metal part inside. And that's how it's done.